did not. We'll clean her up a bit.
Yeah.
I just want the venom to take hold.
There's no venom. It's strange.
It's not going to die from venom. It's just going to suffocate.
Yeah. Come on, little guy. Oh man, he's fucked.
Oh, shit.
Go.
Go, dude. Go, dude.
Oh my gosh.
That's it.
Yeah. Yeah.